All right, so today we are at 2750 Amaranda. This is a Pulte home. It's the Pompeii model on lot 31. And as we come into the home here, you got a nice covered entry. Got your foyer area. Directly to the right is going to be your guest bedroom area. So you have guest bedroom 1 here. Nice windows looking out towards the front. The closet. You've got the bathroom here. The combination tub and shower. And then you have your second guest bedroom here. And directly across from the guest bedrooms you have the powder room. Entry to the garage. Here's your powder room right here. You've got your full laundry room here, and then access to your garage just off the laundry. Now coming back out, the home opens up really nicely here. So you have a nice open kitchen, dining space, eating kitchen area. And you've got these 90-degree sliders here, which are really nice. Open up nice and wide. Plenty of room under truss for seating area. Here, you also do have your mechanicals there if you want to install an outdoor kitchen. So you've got all your lines necessary here. Then you've got a pool and spa package with a nice view of the lake in the back. Directly across the lake will be some homes at some point in time. And this home is currently available. If you're interested in this home, you can reach us at any of the numbers below. This is Roberto with Pinnacle Property, and we thank you for watching.